Hey YouTubers, I got a video for this Samsung refrigerator. This is the model number right here, and I'm trying to clean one of the glass, which is in the lower shelf. This is the type of refrigerator it looks like. There's a spill on it. Look at it right here, all over. And I figured out how to remove this one. So this right here, lid, you have to remove it. You have to get I will get one of these plastic little spatula, and you gotta go between here. I already removed it. Go slowly, okay? Wiggle it, okay, until you pry it open. And so once it comes off, see this? It'll come off like that. And you just remove it. Put it to the side. Then the glass, kind of like you gotta go in there like that. And until it comes off, wiggle it. And you just pull it off, pop it up, pop it. And there you go, look at that mess. It says rear on it, on the side, see that? So that means it goes right by the filter underneath. So I'm gonna clean it now, and so hope this video helps you guys. All right, good luck.